talking about Criminal Minds Easy English Conversation Practice. Hi Bianca. Have you ever watched the TV show Criminal Minds?
Hi, Peter. Yes, I have. It's one of my favorite shows. How about you? Do you like it?
I do. It's so interesting to see how they solve crimes. The profiling part is amazing.
I agree. The Behavioral Analysis Unit, or BAU, is so smart. Who is your favorite character?
I really like Dr. Spencer Reed. He's so intelligent and knows so much about everything. What about you?
I think I like Emily Prentice. She's brave and always helps the team. I also like her personality.
She is a great character. I also enjoy how the team works together. Each person has a special skill.
Yes. Like Penelope Garcia. She's so good with computers. She always finds important information.
That's true. And she makes the show a bit funny with her jokes. Do you have a favorite episode?
That's a tough question. I think my favorite is when the team solves a case in a small town. It's very exciting. What about you?
I like the episodes with the recurring villains, like the one with the Reaper. It's so intense.
Oh yes, those are scary, but really good. Do you ever try to guess the criminal before the team does?
All the time. But I'm usually wrong. The show is full of surprises. What do you think makes it so good?
I think it's the mix of mystery, drama, and teamwork. And the characters feel so real. What about you?
I agree. It also makes me think about how people's minds work. It's a little bit like psychology.
That's true. The show teaches a lot about human behavior. Would you recommend it to others?
Definitely. It's a great show if you like crime stories and smart characters. How about you?
Absolutely. But I'd tell people not to watch it alone at night, it can be a little scary.
Good advice. Well, it was fun talking about Criminal Minds. Maybe we can watch an episode together sometime.
That sounds great, Peter. Let's plan a day for it soon.
Perfect. See you later, Bianca.
See you, Peter.
Beach Day Conversation, practice English with simple dialogues. Hi Annabelle. It's such a beautiful day at the beach, isn't it?
Hi, George. Yes, the weather is perfect. The sun is shining, and the sea looks amazing.
Do you like coming to the beach often?
I do. The beach is my favorite place to relax. How about you?
I love the beach too. It's so peaceful. I enjoy swimming in the sea.
Swimming is fun. I also like to collect seashells. Have you ever done that?
Yes, I have. It's interesting to see all the different shapes and colors. Do you want to collect some now?
Sure. Let's walk along the shore and see what we can find.
Great idea. The sand is so warm under our feet. It feels nice, doesn't it?
It really does. And the sound of the waves is so calming.
It's the best part of the beach. The waves are so relaxing. Do you like to sunbathe as well?
Yes, but only for a short time. I prefer to stay in the shade and read a book.
That sounds nice. What kind of books do you like to read?
I like to read novels, especially romance. How about you?
I like adventure stories. They're exciting to read. Maybe we can read together sometime.
That sounds fun, George. We can bring our books next time we come to the beach.
Definitely. I'm looking forward to it. I'm glad we could spend time together here today.
Me too, George. The beach is even better when you're with a friend.
I agree. Let's make sure to come back soon. Learn English with Halloween, fun conversation for beginners. Hi Bianca. Are you excited about Halloween this year?
Hi, Peter. Yes, I am. I love Halloween. Are you going to dress up?
Definitely. I'm planning to wear a vampire costume. What about you?
Oh, that sounds scary. I'm thinking of dressing up as a witch. I already have the hat and the broom.
That's awesome. We will look so cool together. Are you going to the Halloween party on Saturday?
Yes, I'm going. I heard it's going to be a lot of fun. They will have music, games, and even a costume contest.
A costume contest? That sounds great. Do you think we have a chance to win?
I hope so. But there will be many people with amazing costumes. We'll just have to wait and see.
True. I'm also looking forward to the candy. I love trick-or-treating. It's fun to see all the decorations around the neighborhood.
Me too. I enjoy collecting candy and seeing how creative people are with their decorations. Some houses really go all out.
Yes, some people are really good at making their houses look spooky. Do you have any plans for after the party?
I might watch a scary movie at home. Do you like scary movies?
I do, but I get scared easily. I might watch something less scary, like a Halloween comedy. How about you?
I love scary movies, but sometimes I get scared too. Maybe I'll invite some friends over so I'm not alone.
That's a good idea. Watching with friends is always more fun. Well, I can't wait for the party. It's going to be a great Halloween.
Yes, I'm really looking forward to it. See you there, Peter.
See you, Bianca. Happy Halloween.
European Adventure, a beginner's guide to traveling Europe. Where is Owen going on vacation? Owen is going to France on vacation. What does Nancy like about Italy? Nancy likes the food and history in Italy. Can Owen speak Spanish for his trip to Spain? Owen is learning Spanish for his trip. How many countries are in Europe? There are 44 countries in Europe. Why does Nancy want to visit London? Nancy wants to see Big Ben in London. What should Owen pack for his trip to Norway? Owen should pack warm clothes for Norway. Is Paris famous for its museums? Yes, Paris is famous for the Louvre and other museums. Where can you find the Colosseum? The Colosseum is in Rome, Italy. Why is Venice unique? Venice is unique because it has canals instead of roads. What currency does Owen need in Germany? Owen needs euros in Germany. Does Nancy need a visa for Ireland? Nancy doesn't need a visa for Ireland if she's from the EU. What language do they speak in Sweden? They speak Swedish in Sweden. Is Switzerland known for its mountains? Yes, Switzerland has the Alps. What's a traditional dish in Greece? A traditional dish in Greece is moussaka. Can Owen see the northern lights in Iceland? Yes, Owen can see the northern lights in Iceland. What is a popular sport in England? Football is very popular in England. Why does Nancy love Madrid? Nancy loves the culture and art in Madrid. Is the euro used in Denmark? No, Denmark uses the Danish krone. What's famous about Amsterdam? Amsterdam is famous for its canals and bicycles. Why is Portugal a popular tourist destination? Portugal is popular for its beaches and historic sites.
Beginner English. Learn about the Olympics. What is the Olympic Games? It is a major international sports event. How often are the Olympic Games held? Every 4 years. Who can compete in the Olympic Games? Athletes from all over the world. Where were the first modern Olympic Games held? Athens, Greece. What year did the first modern Olympic Games take place? 1896. How many rings are there in the Olympic symbol? 5. What do the 5 rings on the Olympic flag represent? The 5 continents. Who is the founder of the modern Olympic Games? Pierre de Coubertin. What is the Olympic motto? Citius, Altius, Fortius faster, higher, stronger. Where were the 2012 Summer Olympics held? London, United Kingdom. What sport does Sheldon like to watch in the Olympics? Swimming. What sport does Nancy like to compete in the Olympics? Gymnastics. How many gold medals did Michael Phelps win in his career? 23 gold medals. Which country hosted the 2016 Summer Olympics? Brazil. In which city were the 2016 Summer Olympics held? Rio de Janeiro. What is the name of the Olympic flame ceremony? The Olympic torch relay. How long does the Olympic torch relay last? Several months. Who lights the Olympic cauldron at the opening ceremony? A prominent athlete. Which Olympics did Nancy attend as a spectator? The 2024 Paris, France.